Learn how to use Google AI Studio Text-to-Speech to create powerful AI audio content. Generate single-speaker voices and multi-speaker dialogue for scalable, monetizable content, free and unlimited.
Okay, how do we create an audio or a speech from a written text using Google AI Studio? So we are going to Google AI Studio, Google AI Studio. Yeah, aistudio.google.com. This is where we are going. Click on this. Okay, we have various options. We have, by the right hand side here, you can see that we have single speaker audio, and the other one says multiple speaker audio. So let's start from the single speaker audio. And the single speaker audio, we have style instruction. You want it to read aloud in a warm and friendly tone. You can also say you want it to read aloud in an inspiring tone. Okay, this is the text position. Start writing or paste text here to generate speech. So we have a speech for the single speaker. We have an audio for the single speaker. Okay, I wanted to generate this motivational speech for a single speaker. Okay, I can say the style instruction. I want the tone to inspire people. Yeah, to achieve their goals. That is just it. I just want it to be inspiring. I can say, you can also say, I want the tone to be inspiring. And this is the text. The gap between you and your goal is not a warning, it's an invitation. You will never feel perfectly ready, and the fear will not vanish first. So you can use this for inspirational content or whatever content. And the next thing we're going to do is to come to the single speaker audio model setting. You can decide to increase the temperature, or you have the voice here. You can choose any voice you want. You can choose any voice, any voice that you want. And the voice also has a kind of style, like this has bright higher pitch, upbeat middle, informative, firm. Okay, let's look at the one that sound clear, easygoing, smooth, lower pitch. Let's see. Let's go. Knowledgeable, middle pitch. We have friendly, forward middle pitch. We have firm, lower middle, soft, higher pitch. Okay, let's choose this soft, higher pitch. Okay, the next thing is to click on run to send the prompt for the generation. Okay, let's run it. Let's see what we have.
That gap between you and your goal is not a warning, it's an invitation. You will never feel perfectly ready, and the fear will not vanish first. You must move despite it. Your first step, however small, is a seismic declaration that your desire is stronger than your doubt. Momentum isn't something you find, it's something you build with a single brave action. So choose that action now. Send the email, make the call, write the first word. The bridge to your future isn't built by waiting for courage, but by laying one stone of effort after another. Start laying yours right now.
Oh, you can see that. That's it. And the next thing you do is to click on this three dot. Then download it. Wow. That's what you do. You download it. It's downloaded already. Okay, the next one is multiple speaker audio. Let's look. We have a dialogue here between the first speaker, the second speaker, first speaker, the second speaker. We copy this. Then maybe you want to create an audio drama or something of that nature, and an advert, online advert, but you need multiple speaker. You click on multi-speaker audio. You can see it here, raw structure. Okay, you can see this is it. There is a structure given. Okay. Okay, then you click on it, you paste it here by the left hand side. You can see speaker 1, you showed up. That's the whole job today. You can see this. Speaker 2, I'm just sitting here. That is it. It divides it along. Okay, till the end. Till the end. Okay. And the next thing you're going to do is the script builder, which is style instruction. You can suggest a style. You can write a style here, whatever style that you want. Describe the style of your dialogue. Read this in a dramatic whisper. You can also include a style. I'm not including the style now. Okay. The next thing is to go to the model, the voice setting. Let me leave the model. The voice setting is about the temperature. Creatively allow in the response. Okay, so the voice settings. We are talking about multi-speaker audio, and then we'll be having 2 speakers here. You can choose a name. The first speaker says the voice is Zephyr. We are not using this. I'm going to be using. You have to look at the gender first, the kind of voice that you want to come out. But I'll be using the informative. Look at the first speaker. You showed up. That's the whole job today. I'm just sitting here. Okay, we can look for a friendly tune. Let's look. Something that is friendly. Oh, we have this one. Arcade. We have friendly. We have the second speaker here, the voice. Let's look at the dialogue for the second speaker. You got out of bed, you fought the gravity. Okay, it doesn't feel like enough today. Let's just, okay, it can also be friendly too. It can also be friendly too. But I don't want the same voice. Let it be casual, lower middle. Okay, casual. Okay, we have it now. We have the settings, and the next thing is to run it.
You showed up. That's the whole job today.
I'm just sitting here. I haven't done anything.
You got out of bed. You fought the gravity that pins you down. You came to the place where the day starts fresh. That's not nothing. That's the foundational work.
It doesn't feel like enough.
It is. For today, it is. The world can have your hands tomorrow. Today, let's just let the sun hit your face. Drink your coffee. That's the mission.
That is it. We have the dialogue. You have to look at the style. You have to look at the tune. That's it. Then we download this. Okay, thank you very much. This is how you can create a speech. You can convert your text to your speech, bringing out the audio version using Google AI Studio. Please subscribe to my channel.